How to fix payment cancelled on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to fix your payment cancelled on Roblox. If you're unable to make a payment or if your payment has been cancelled on Roblox, then what you can do is you can simply go ahead and register the correct billing information with the card provider. You can do this by visiting the card company's website or calling the customer service number on the card. When you make a payment, make sure that the billing information you enter on Roblox matches the registered information exactly. Apart from it, you can also update your payment method. So in order to update your payment method, tap the three dot icon and go to profile. So scroll down a bit and go to settings. Once you go to settings, tap the account center button or account info, and over here you'll be able to see billing information. So you can just go ahead and make changes with your information, such as maybe update your payment method, change or replace your payment method as well, and that might be able to fix your issue. Apart from it, you can also check for an update. If you have not updated your application for a while, then it might be the reason why you're unable to make a payment, or that the payment cancelled or your payment has been cancelled on Roblox. So in this way you can fix your payment cancelled on Roblox. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.